Entertainer Jahshii was not taken into custody according to the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So coming up on the scoop for today, as you know, there has been a rumor circulating on social media that dancehall entertainer Jahshii was taken into custody by the police on Christmas morning. But that is being refuted by the police, as the police have stated that he was not taken into custody as was being publicized on social media. Well, this was based on the video that circulated on social media of Jahshii being accosted by a police while on stage. Let's go over to that.
Police crash Jahshii performance in Clarendon.
Life sweet coming over. Memories in the past, mama. After replace with tears in the past, I wake up hard and walk one, 25 years like that. I never be one poverty. Poverty does not go. That's good. Right now. We stuck in the lead. Family dead.
So that was the video that made rounds on social media, which depicts a dancehall entertainer performing at an event in Clarendon. So senior communications strategist at the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF, Dennis Brooks, has confirmed that the dancehall recording artist Jahshii is not and was never in police custody. This after various news reports that the dancehall entertainer was taken into custody after police stopped an event in Clarendon on Christmas Eve. According to reports, the Clarendon police were conducting a patrol when they arrived upon an event, only to realize that it was a massive event with a stage set up and an entertainer performing live on stage. So it is further reported that people began to flee the venue after the police gained entry, and including those that were on stage. There were 32 people taken into custody according to the police, and they were charged under the Disaster Risk Management Act, and essentially persons began to report that Jahshii was among those that were arrested and charged, but that was not true. According to an individual close to Jahshii management team, the artist did not spend Christmas Day in lockup as was being circulated on social media. Jahshii, who is an upcoming recording artist, has described the police as being corrupt in a recent Entertainment Report interview with Anthony Miller. This placed him under the public microscope and left many criticizing him over his overall action that caught this placed him under the public microscope and left many criticizing him that his overall actions would cause future issues with local law enforcement team. Several entertainers have since defended the upcoming dancehall DJ and said that what he was saying was actually true. So as was previously reported at a number of media websites that the dancehall entertainer was actually taken into custody by the police, that is not true. The police, however, confirmed though that other individuals were taken into custody, but the dancehall entertainer was not among them. This is where we're going to leave this report now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.